siya sure sa pangalan ko. Okay. A day in my life as a public school teacher. Maaga na akong nag-isip. Pero kahit gaano kaaga magising, huli pa rin akong nakakarating. May kakaiba nga ang saya sa puso ko. Ito na pala ang huling araw ng aming onset. Pero napalitan nga ang aking saya ng pagiging tuliro. Kasi puti pala ang isusuot namin mga guro. Kaya ngayon, ito, pumasok ako sa aking trabaho. Suot ang polo ng asawa ko. Okay, by the way, isa po pala ako sa mga magbibigay ng insight sa araw na ito. So, good afternoon, teachers. So, attending INSET is crucial for our professional development as educators. It provides us with opportunities to update our knowledge, share best practices, and connect with colleagues. As we wrap up the 3-day training, here are the following things that we are truly grateful for. So the training sessions, expertly facilitated by our brilliant speakers, so they delve into the pressing educational issues that we face daily. The interactive workshops and discussions allowed us to learn from each other's experiences and grow together as a community of educators. I express my deepest appreciation for sharing your expertise and inspiring us to be better educators. And I would like also to extend our heartfelt gratitude to the classroom managers, Sir Daniel Matsunaga. Wow! Sir Daniel Salvador. And kay Ma'am Sonia Sidenio. And to the Division Office for organizing this enriching experience. Your tireless efforts to ensure our professional growth are truly commendable. As I reflect on the just concluded 3-day training, I know that all the teachers here are filled with gratitude and renewed passion for teaching. The Department of Education has again demonstrated its commitment to empowering educators like us, equipping us with the necessary tools and strategies to tackle the challenges we face in our day-to-day teaching. As we conclude this 3-day inset, very inspiring inset, let us carry the spark of passion, the fire of education, and the flame of excellence back to our classrooms. Let us ignite the minds of our students and inspire their curiosity. So tandaan po natin mga minamahal na guro, ang pagtuturo ay hindi lamang po isang propesyon. Ito ay isang misyon na nangangailangan ng pagmamahal, pag-aalaga at pagtitiwala. Kaya sama-sama natin ipagpatuloy ang ating misyon at gawin natin makabuluhan ang ating pagtuturo. Once again, thank you DepEd for investing in us, your teachers. Maraming salamat po.